Hello guys, my name is Arslan and welcome back to my channel, and today we guys are going to solve a new Leetcode question, that is maximum count of positive integer and negative integer with the help of Python. So let's start this question guys. Given an array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, return the maximum between the number of positive and negative integers. In other words, if the number of positive integer in nums is pos and the number of negative integer is in neg, then return the maximum pos and neg. Note that 0 is neither positive and negative, or not negative, sorry. So what we have to do here is we have to count the number of positive integer and negative integer. So whoever has the highest count, we have to return that. Whoever has the maximum count of negative or positive respectively, we have to return those. So if you count negative here, there are 3. If you count positive, there are 3. So both are same. Example number 1 if you talk about, so we will return any of them, that is 3 count. So if you move on to second example, there are it contains -2, -3, -1, 0, 0, 1, 2. See, so what we will do here is we will count the number of negative integers. So negative integers count is 3 and positive count integer count is 2. 0 lies not 0 is neither negative nor positive. So we can say that we have to return the highest count. So highest count is of course of course 3, which counts the number of negative integers. Similarly, in example number 3, if we talk about, you see that there are 4 positive integers. It contains neither 0 nor negative integers. So we will just return the number of positive count, that is 4. So guys, just before starting to solve this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So guys, what we will be doing here is first of all, we will say that pos count is equals to 0, neg count is equals to 0. So these two variables will be counting the number of negative and positive, and to do that we have to just create a loop for num in nums. We can say num in nums are this array, this is nums, and nums would be each individual element in the nums, that by including -2, -1, -1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right, these are the num in nums. So for that we have to check if if for positive count, what we will be counting for positive count is if num is greater than 0. So whichever value is greater than 0, in that case we will just increase the count of pos by 1, plus is equals to 1. However, and if num is less than 0, we will just increase the count of negative. And if neg count plus is equals to 1. So now we have both the containers here, including positive count and negative count, which will be counting our negative and positive. So we can return max positive negative. Alright, this will give us either values which are positive or negative. I have just pos count. I just have to change it to pos count and neg count, because these two are variables, not positive or negative. So now not negative, it's neg count. So when I do this neg count, I just have to, I'm just checking that did I have made some mistake with pos count, neg count and max. So just I have to run this code and check for an answer. So you see that our code has been running successfully, and let me explain it to you again in a brief manner. So guys, what we actually did here is, first we have created two containers, that will two counters, actually not containers. We created two counters. First will be counting the number of positive count, Second will be counting the negative count. So we will be just checking whoever has the highest count, we have to return this in this uh, return. So max function will give us the maximum count between these two counters, and to do that, to check that, we have created a loop, and that in that loop we have just created two else if condition. First condition will count the number of positive count, second condition will count as the negative count. So whoever has the highest count, maximum count, will we will return that value. So I hope that you have understood this question now, and if you do so, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. If you guys have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.